the United States has launched a significant military operation against ISIS in Syria, deploying air and missile strikes in response to a recent attack that resulted in the deaths of 3 Americans. This operation is part of a broader strategy to dismantle ISIS infrastructure and weapon sites, underscoring the ongoing commitment of the U.S. to combat terrorism in the region. The strikes are intended to weaken ISIS's operational capabilities and prevent future threats to American and allied forces in the Middle East. In a separate development, 7 Colombian soldiers were killed in a drone attack by the ELN guerrilla group near the Venezuelan border. This incident highlights the increasing use of drone technology in modern warfare and the persistent regional tensions in South America. The attack underscores the strategic importance of drone technology in both offensive and defensive military operations, as well as the need for enhanced counter-drone measures. Meanwhile, the Pentagon has failed its financial audit for the 8th consecutive year, revealing 26 material weaknesses and 2 significant deficiencies. This ongoing issue highlights the challenges the Department of Defense faces in achieving financial accountability and transparency. Despite these setbacks, defense spending continues to rise, driven by the need to address emerging threats and maintain military readiness. The Space Development Agency has awarded $3.5 billion in contracts to Lockheed Martin, Rocket Lab, L3Harris, and Northrop Grumman for the development of missile tracking satellites. This investment aims to bolster U.S. space defense capabilities, reflecting the growing importance of space in national security strategies. The contracts are part of a broader effort to enhance the U.S.'s ability to detect and respond to missile threats from adversaries. The U.S. Air Force is upgrading its autonomous X-62 VISTA aircraft with Raytheon's PhantomStrike radar to advance AI testing capabilities. This initiative is part of a larger push to integrate artificial intelligence into military operations, enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of defense systems. The upgrades will enable more sophisticated testing and development of AI technologies, positioning the U.S. Air Force at the forefront of military innovation. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 4.14% to $193.38. This increase is attributed to the strong momentum in the defense sector, particularly in AI and drone technologies. Palantir's data analytics capabilities are increasingly in demand as military and security agencies seek to leverage big data for strategic advantage. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 5.34% increase in its stock price, reaching $243.01. The surge is linked to heightened demand for drones, especially following the recent drone attack in Colombia. AeroVironment's expertise in unmanned aerial vehicles positions it well to capitalize on the growing need for advanced drone solutions in both military and civilian applications. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, saw its stock climb by 4.38% to $135.29, driven by a boost in semiconductor demand. As the drone industry increasingly relies on advanced semiconductors for enhanced performance and autonomy, companies like Amphenol are poised to benefit from this trend. The integration of semiconductors into drone technology is critical for achieving greater scalability and operational efficiency. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, reported a modest increase of 0.85% in its stock price to $474.13. The company's recent contract wins for missile tracking satellites underscore its pivotal role in advancing U.S. space defense capabilities. These contracts not only enhance Lockheed Martin's backlog, but also solidify its position as a leader in the defense sector. Raytheon Technologies, ticker symbol RTX, saw its stock rise by 2.09% to $182.01. The company secured a $168.1 million contract to support Patriot missile systems, highlighting the global demand for its air and missile defense solutions. Raytheon's ongoing innovations in radar and missile technologies continue to drive its market performance and strategic relevance. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, experienced a significant stock increase of 4.34% to $336.64. The company's selection to build a new class of agile combatant ships for the U.S. Navy reflects its strong shipbuilding capabilities and strategic importance in naval defense. These new vessels are expected to enhance the Navy's operational flexibility and combat readiness. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Consider Palantir for AI-driven defense analytics growth. 2. AeroVironment benefits from rising drone demand. 3. Watch Lockheed Martin's space defense contracts for long-term gains.